So Beats make a case for your iPhone. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So yeah, Beats are making phone cases now. Don't know how to feel about that, but I seen this on Apple's website when I was picking up the silicone cases for the 16 Pro Max, and I thought, do you know what, might as well. So I picked it up as well. Full disclosure, when I seen this on Apple's website, the pictures kind of made it look like it was like a matte or a satin type of color. And then the box arrived, and the minute I looked at the box, I went, oh, that case is glossy. I'm not gonna like this. So, but yeah, this is what we're here for. So let's check it out. So let's get this opened up. Great. Lovely. And oh yeah, it's really glossy. It's really glossy. It's like really shiny. Okay, paperwork. And okay, yeah, okay. I don't like this already. Okay, right. You can see what I've literally just taken it out of the box and just been touching it, and it is already covered in fingerprints. And yeah, I don't like this already. Yeah, so let's just weigh this quickly. So 36 grams. So yeah, pretty much what you would expect. The case itself, it's got a nice microfiber lining, and we have the Beats logo here on the inside, and then of course we have Apple down here because it's owned by Apple. One thing I will say I've noticed is they have done the same sapphire crystal button for the camera button that the Apple cases have done, which is a nice touch. Yeah, these other buttons here are molded and plastic, so yeah, let's try this out. Look at the state of that case already. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. And I literally just washed my hands before this video. You wouldn't think it. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, the buttons on this are plastic. So the lock button, and then your volume up and down, and your action button. So if we just try them. Yeah, clicky, tactile, no issues with them whatsoever. And of course now, an added little check is the camera control, which works perfectly. And if we just try the haptics, oh, there we go. Starting to panic there, thinking that wasn't working. Ah, there we go. I'm still getting used to the touch controls for the camera button. So, but yeah, no, that seems to be working the way it should. Yeah, okay, that's good. I think that side of things definitely helps the look of this case, because I don't think I am. I don't think I'm a fan of this cutouts on some of the other cases. So it's a full bumper case all the way around, apart from the bottom. The bottom is open. I don't like that personally. I do prefer a case to cover everything on the phone, because sod's law, you drop your phone, it's going to land bottom down, it's going to hit that metal frame, it's going to get all scuffed up and damaged. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. I don't know why cases still do this. Let's just do the fitment test then. So if we just take the corners and we give it a twist, the phone is secure, the case is rigid, it's not going to let go of the phone anytime soon, which is what you want to see. So your phone isn't going to pop out if you like lift it out of your pocket at the corner or something. It's not going to pop out. It's in there and it's really secure. That's what you want to see. And then of course screen lip. So the edges do come up over the display, and they are even right the way across the display, apart from the cutout at the bottom, which has zero protection. So if you do set it down flat, you are going to get that set down flat protection, which is, yeah, that's what you want to see. I'll keep your display up off that surface. Yes, and then the camera bump then is slightly molded in the case, and you can just see the lenses don't protrude out, and it does come up over those lenses as well. So if you set your phone down flat, it's not going to scuff up those lenses. That's really what you want to see. Now, what I will say is if you're setting this phone down anywhere, because this is shiny, this thing is going to scuff like a mofo. Okay, like it's very shiny. Now, don't get me wrong, like I've had shiny cases on here before, like the Nomad Sport case and things like that, and it has never been as bad as this for fingerprints. Maybe it's because it's a dark color that it's maybe showing it more. I don't know, but yeah, that ain't good. That's I've never had to wipe down a phone case multiple times in a video before. Just haven't had to do it. That's crazy. Just even the feel of the case itself, because it's shiny, it's going to be really slippery, and I just don't foresee being able to hold on to it, and with that bottom being exposed, yeah, I don't think that at all. So it is Magsafe compatible, so we can do a Magsafe test. So I'm hoping that the plastic on this stand doesn't rough up this case, because I really don't want to keep this. It is not good at all. So let's just check out the magnets. Well, at least the magnets are good. Can't really fault that. This stand weighs over 200 grams, and it's taking the weight of the phone, and it's taking the weight of the stand. That's what you want to see, and yeah, it has marked this case. That's bro. That is bro. Imagine buying a case and literally putting it on a charging mount and it getting scuffed. Like that's not good. And we will just plug this in and just double check the wireless charging is working the way it should. And it is. Yeah, no issues there whatsoever. Pop that on. Charging works perfectly. You can just see it there up in the corner, charging away. So yeah, that is the Beats case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Truthfully honest, I would not recommend this case, and unless you guys really like this and you really want to have a case by Beats, there's better cases out there for the money than this. I can't honestly recommend it. But if you do want to pick up this case, I'll leave you an affiliate link down below to where you can pick it up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support. I think that's the first review where I've said don't buy this case. There you go. Interesting. So that about wraps up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming for this 16 Pro Max. I will have lots of cases. I will have accessories, chargers, car chargers, all sorts of stuff. So stay tuned for that. And if you want some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Scraped it. Well, that's 40 odd quid down the drain.